In this video, I will show you the biggest opportunity of 2025, the VOP Content Reward Program. Now you can see it everywhere. Iman Ghazi, Andrew Tate, Tucker Carlson and many more creators have launched their Content Reward Program. In this video, you will learn how to get this opportunity and earn thousands of dollars every single month. This video contains 3 steps. Before I will start how to earn money on VOP via Content Reward Program, let's quickly know about what is Content Reward Program. So, in Content Reward Program, you will get paid by making content for creators. You can make their clips on make a UGC content on VOP. The best part of this program that you will be paid based on views, like you will earn $5 per 1000 views. This make it a very easy program. Like you don't need a millions of followers channel to make thousands of dollars per month. You can upload these videos in Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Strategy number 1. Clipping. Clipping is the best point to start with on a VOP Content Reward Program. If you are a beginner, then clipping is the best way to start with. Here's how it works. You make clips of content creators who have launched their Content Reward Program. Like Iman Ghazi is one, Andrew Tate is one. They have launched their Content Reward Program. If you clip their videos and upload it to the video and generate thousands of views, then you are eligible to earn thousands of dollars every single month. The creator will get more audience and you will get money. Top clippers are earning money like $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 every single month. Now, this is not a joke. This is the method of serious earning. You just need a simple editing skills to make clips and upload it to the YouTube and generate your income. You can upload those clips in YouTube, Instagram and share the link on VOP. Then VOP will verify that you are eligible or not, and then you will be starting earning. Top clippers constantly look for the good opportunity to come on VOP. Soon after the good opportunity came, they enroll into that opportunity and start earning. They study the style of the creator. They edit your videos with high retention skills that engage audience in those videos and generate millions of views. By millions of views, those guys are earning thousands of dollars every single month. The market for clipping is wide open right now. Many big creators are launching their Content Reward Program, like Andrew Tate, like Iman Ghazi, like Tucker Carlson. All these guys have launched their Content Reward Program, and many of the clippers are earning thousands of views by making clip for these YouTubers. You just need a good opportunity to start. So to find the good opportunity, go on the VOP website, WHOP, then make account, search for the Explore tab and then search for Content Reward Program. Then you will search that many of the creators have launched their Content Reward Program. Now you can enroll in any of these you want. It can be clipping, it can be UGC. UGC stands for User Generated Content. I will recommend you to start early in the clipping market to generate your income. For editing, you can use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro and lot like of these softwares for making clips. Alright, the strategy number 2, UGC Content Rewards. Higher the value, higher will be returns. So while clipping is good method to start the earning, the UGC is to level up your income. Here UGC stands for User Generated Content. The key difference between clipping and the UGC content is, in clipping you are just making clips of the content which are already have been uploaded in the YouTube, while in the UGC content you will have to make your own content for YouTube. It can be face cam or it can be screen recording or animated videos. The creators who are making UGC are making even $50,000 every single month. When you upload content on the VOP, they will verify your content that you are eligible for the reward program or not. After the verification, you will be start earning. Every 1,000 views, you will be get paid by VOP. VOP is the very genuine platform to start earning. Many skills like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and freelancing, these types of skills require a lot of time period to start earning. But now the VOP content reward program is the most efficient, most easy, and the serious method to start your earning. Practically, it contains no entry barrier, no long application process. It is very easy to use. You can grab this opportunity now on VOP website. If you want a detailed video on how to make money online on VOP, then comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.